Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is my first time doing voiceover, so bear with me. And basically I'll be sharing how I took the fight so that you can learn something from you, and if you have any suggestions let me know. I might learn something. I could hear three teamy players below, but I couldn't get an angle on them, so I smoked rushed inside, but another player was already waiting for me there, and it was an easy kill. Okay, now here I made a mistake which most of us players usually do. I heard a player inside, I waited for him to push me, but I was crouching and peeking at the same time. When you're waiting for a player to push you, you don't crouch. Reason? When he'll fire, he'll most likely aim your chest, and when you crouch, your head is at your chest level, and the very shot hits your head instead of chest. If I wasn't wearing a T5, I wasn't wearing a T5 helmet, I would have been dead. I could hear Scarrel shots on the drop, so I decided to climb this area to get a better vantage point, and that is when I spotted this player. Now, trigger control is important here. You can see I just didn't shoot him immediately. I waited for him to get clear of the obstacles, then I fired. My teammate got knocked. I immediately rushed to provide him cover fire, and the other guy also rushed with me, and we managed to save him. Now I was thinking he was behind the wall, but instead he was behind the shack. So I looked, you can see I looked multiple times behind the wall so that I could get the angle, but instead he was behind the shacks there. Okay, one more thing which most players do is they push. It is not important, it is not necessary to push every player. Here I took my distance, got an angle, and easily took him down. And chances were he could have killed me when I pushed. But instead I maintained my distance and it was an easy kill.
Now go flank him! Target eliminated.
After the spawn, my teammates took fight. There was a squad here, they rushed from that side and I from this. And basically it was a pincer movement. We pinned them in the center and it was easy kills.
Target eliminated. Understood.
Here we could hear a player pushing us, so I decided to flank him while he was fighting my teammate and it worked. And I managed to kill him while he was aiming for my head. And basically in this match this is all happened. And Miss pushed my teammate and I killed them.
Need backup. Understood.
Understood.
For you. In season 9 all you need is 2 dog tags and you can extract. So basically what you should do is get a few kills, a couple of kills, and if your teammates die you get a single kill and he has a decent loot. Get the dog tag from your teammate and the enemy and then extract. Don't get greedy, don't try to get more kills and loot, you'll just die. You might get lucky sometimes, or if you are a skilled player you might get more kills, but if you are farming then just get a few
ओए
kills,
तुम ऐसी
get
पुतला
their
बन के
dog
खड़े हो
tags
सारे।
and then extract.
क्या करूँ?
पेन किलर लगाओ और सुपरमैन बन जाओ।
ये फुटता है मुझे। बंदा इधर पास है। नाइस, मार दिया।
Okay, here this is the very first time I have ever used a decoy in this game and I had no idea it would work out this well. And my teammate, which was right in front of me, he thought it was a decoy thrown by enemy and he was trying to find and
ओए
destroy
डिकोय
it.
डिकोय लगाया है किसी
And
ने,
when the
इसको
enemies
तोड़ो
pushed,
पैंट से कोई
he was like, why the hell are they all pushing me
बोस
and
है
not
इधर,
you?
बोस की टीम भी है ना।
And they would just push him and I would kill them. These were the easiest kill you could
बंदा आ
ever
रहा है
get.
बाहर से।
मरा?
ठीक है बच्चा। ध्यान से ध्यान से।
तो एक फुट आ रहे हैं, वो डिकोए है कि बंदे? ये देखो बंदे।
क्या हो रहा है? वो 3 डाउन हो गए हैं। सादा जी आप किधर हो? टैंगो बच गया तू।
और मेरी गन और मार भी खा लो यार लेवल 5 का।
कोई मसला नहीं, सबर ते कर जा हाले इधर।
और देख ले आप करना है तो। ओए
ओए,
ओए 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 ओए
इधर सख्त रोला।
स्नाइपर है इधर एक।
Okay, here's a mistake which I made and I
और मेरी
talked
तो आमा
about
भी
earlier
खत्म
as
हो गई है
well.
ना। लो जी।
I damaged him
रश करो टंग
and
भाई
I
रश करो।
knew a nade would just kill him. But instead I decided to push him and I almost died. So use nade and mollies whenever you have to instead of pushing blindly.
मार उस रामी को।
ओ
गुड हो गया।
ये कितना डैमेज किया गया
तो ये
है।
बोट है।
जल्दी आ जल्दी
लगाओ
जल्दी आ।
लगाओ 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 लगाओ।
लगाओ लगाओ लगाओ।
अभी गन्नेटिंग शुरू हो जानी है।
तो कोई इसने यार कितना फायदा होता है यार लेवल 4 के आर्मर का वाला ने, उसने मेरे पे पूरे ब्रश निकाल दिए थे बंदे ने, मगर डैमेज नहीं हुआ, गिरा नहीं, डाउन नहीं हुआ। और यही तो उसके मतलब अच्छी चस है ना।
And fired at me with the gun he shouldn't have. And even if he wanted to fight, he should have gotten closer and took a close range fight. But he didn't and just died.
ओए,
ओए मुझे मार दिया उसने। ओए ये क्या हुआ है?
मार दिया टैंगो, मार दिया तूने उसे। ओए ओ बंदा।
This was an easy
Bandai.
kill. He was wearing T5 armor with T6 helmet and still it was an easy kill. The reason he pushed blindly. Use nade and molly guys. He pushed blindly and just died, thinking his armor will save him, but you don't know what the other guy is
यार
carrying.
ओए मुझे देना
For all you know, he
मैंने
could be
मैंने
carrying a
मैंने
T6
तो
bullets
वो किया
and just kill you in a few shots, even if you have a T6 armor. Okay, here's one more suggestion for you guys. If you're unsure about enemy's location, throw a random nade without cooking to flush him out. But if you're sure and know where he is,
सारे भाई
then
से
cook the nade and then throw it so that he doesn't get a chance to escape. Here I did exactly that. I was sure where he was. I cooked the nades and then throw them,
ये grenade
and it
तूने
was an
करवाया?
easy kill. Although he was using thermal, it was an easy kill.
बंदे हैं। तीन बंदे हैं। क्या मिला? ओए 4 खाने हैं तेरे पास। तो डाल फिर उसमें निकाल। तो कौन बनाना तुम्हारा? ऊपर वो कागज देखता है ध्यान से।
यार एक ना मुझे लेटा हुआ घास में नजर आ रहा है पता नहीं लाश है तो
वो बड़ा हुआ है। वो मर गया।
हाँ नहीं नहीं ये पीछे भी है वो पीछे है वगैरह वैसे मूव नहीं कर रहा वो
लोकेशन डाल।
यहाँ पर
जनरेट कराता हूँ।
तो नहीं बोट मरा हुआ है शायद मरा हुआ है बोट है
हाँ।
Okay, here's a suggestion for you guys, and this happened to me. The graphics couldn't load, so I didn't know that the AN94 which he was carrying had a thermal scope on it. So my teammate just took it, and when we were extracting, he told me literally a second before that
थर्मल स्कोप।
here you can see
वो बैंड
He
चल
took
के
the
मैंने
thermal.
क्यों नहीं उठाई? मैंने दूसरी उठा दी थी।
तेरी एएनपी लगी
hope you guys enjoyed the
एएन पे लगा
gameplay.
था ना तूने उतार लिया
Also
था।
mind my stuttering, English is not my mother language, and
यार अगर
also
मैं थोड़ा
I'm
सा भाई
not
होकर वो
fluent
बताना
at
क्या
it,
कहते हैं
so mind it. Hope you guys enjoy. Kindly like, share,
मैं भाई
subscribe, and
थोड़ा सा भाई होकर
comment.
बताना तो वो
See you in the next
लेकिन यही
video.
हो रहा था
Bye.